Today I'm showing you an AI tool that turns simple text into perfect images in seconds. No designing skills, no experience. Just type what you want and boom, done. This tool can generate ultra-realistic photos, digital art, product images, thumbnails, characters, anything you imagine. And the best part? It's 100% free to start, fast, and beginner-friendly. Let me show you how crazy powerful it is. The tool is called Leonardo AI. Go to the website, link in the description. Click Get Started and create a free account or sign in by following the simple steps. Then go to the AI image generation page. It has output settings on the page. Customize it the way you want. Type your idea, select a style, and generate. I type futuristic robot holding glowing orb. And in seconds, check this out. High-quality image, ready to use. Next one, beautiful 4K product photo of smartwatch. Boom! You can create images for business, YouTube, clients, even thumbnails. It gives you multiple variations, lets you edit, upscale, remove backgrounds, and even create images in your own custom style. This is one of the fastest free AI generators right now. If you want the image, just download. If you want daily AI tools that save your time and make your work easier, subscribe to my channel. Comment what tool you want next, and I'll make it for you. See you in the next video. I'm Code with Lasa.